Wtw5057Lw0 Troubleshooting. Expert tips to fix common issues. For Wtw5050 troubleshooting, check the power supply and ensure the lid is properly closed. Verify the load balance and water supply. Troubleshooting your Wtw5057Lw0 washing machine can save time and money. Start by checking the power connection and ensuring the lid is securely closed. Sometimes, a simple oversight can cause significant issues. Verify that the load is balanced to avoid unnecessary strain on the machine. Ensure the water supply is connected and turned on. Regular maintenance and quick checks can prevent many common problems. Familiarizing yourself with these steps ensures your washing machine operates efficiently, extending its lifespan. This guide helps you address common issues swiftly and effectively. Wtw5057Lw0 No Power. Experiencing a no power issue with your 557 washer can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve it. 1. Check power supply. 2. Inspect power cord. W57 and grow motor not filling. Experiencing issues with your 557Lw0 washer? One common problem is the water not filling. This can be frustrating, but you can troubleshoot it yourself. Below are some steps to help you resolve this issue. 1. Inspect water inlet valve. 2. Check water pressure. Low water pressure can also prevent the washer from filling. Here's how to check it. Wt557Lw0 washer not spinning. Experiencing a washer not spinning can be frustrating. If your Wtw5057L washer is facing this issue, it could be due to several reasons. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. 1. Balance the load. 2. Inspect drive belt. Wtw5057L unusual noises. Is your Wtw5057Lw0 washer making strange sounds? Unusual noises can be alarming and might signal a problem. Let's explore the common causes and how to fix them. 1. Check for obstructions. 2. Inspect bearings. Wtw5057Lw0 water leaks. Water leaks in your Wtw5057Lw0 washer can be frustrating. Identifying the cause early can save time and money. Below are some common sources of leaks and how to troubleshoot them. 1. Inspect door seal. 2. Check hoses. Wtw5W0 detergent issues. Detergent issues can affect the performance of your Wtw5W0 washer. Improper use of detergent can lead to various problems, including residue buildup, poor cleaning, and potential damage to your machine. 1. Use correct detergent. 2. Clean dispenser. Wtw57Lw0 error codes. Encountering error codes on your Wtw57Lw0 washing machine can be frustrating. These codes help identify issues quickly. Understanding them can save time and prevent costly repairs. Let's explore the common error codes and steps to resolve them. 1. Identify common codes. 2. Steps to resolve. Frequently asked questions about Wtw557Lw0. How to reset Wtw557Lw0 washer. To reset, unplug the washer for 1 minute and then plug it back in. Why won't my Wt557Lw0 washer start? Check if the door is fully closed and the power cord is properly plugged in. What does F5 error mean on Wtw557Lw? F5 error indicates a door lock issue. Ensure the door is properly closed. How to fix Wtw5057Lw0 not draining? Check for clogs in the drain hose or filter and ensure the drain pump is functioning. Why is my Wt557Lw0 making noise? Noises can be due to unbalanced loads or foreign objects in the drum. Check and balance the load. Conclusion about Wtw57Lw. Troubleshooting the Wtw5057Lw0 can be simple with the right steps. Follow this guide to fix common issues. Ensure your appliance runs smoothly. Regular maintenance helps prevent future problems. Remember, professional help is available if needed. Keep this guide handy for quick reference.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.